We'll guide you through how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So currently you've got professional mode turned on, and for whatever reason you want to go and turn it off. Perhaps you no longer need the features, or you just want to go and have a bit more of a low key in a private account. Professional mode is mainly useful if you're trying to go and be a bit of an influencer, trying to grow a personal brand, and you get access to more features, which you may not need if you just want to go and have a more personal profile on Facebook. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about turning it off. So let's go and get started. So what you need to do is go and head to your profile. You can press the profile button in the bottom right. In some cases, it's going to be the top right, depending upon your device. Previously, when you went and pressed that button in the bottom right or top right, you were brought to a menu. So if you still are, you press the three lines in the top left, it'll look like this. You can press your name at the top to get your profile. You can tell we've got professional mode turned on, as at the top, it goes and says digital creator. So essentially, as I said, it makes you a bit more of an influencer, a bit more of a personal brand. You do get more features. For example, if I press the three lines in the top left, it will have professional dashboard. So turning off professional mode does remove that, by the way. So if you want to keep that, you may want to go and reconsider. But if you want to go and get rid of it, then what we need to do is go and head to the top right of Facebook on our profile page and press on those three dots. This opens up profile settings. Now what you need to do in here is we want to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for turn professional mode off. So you can go and tap there. So it does say here, review important changes before you turn off professional mode. We can press continue. So you're going to go and see what's going to go and change. So as you can see, you won't be able to go and see the insights. You receive pending payments, but you won't go to continue earning money. No longer having the professional dashboard and some other important things as well. But you can go and see what's going to go and stay the same. Make sure you fully understand and you've read this through. And if you're sure, at the bottom, you can go and press turn off, like so. Now go and wait, it's just going to go and load. As you can see, it's now been successfully turned off, and you can go and press close, and that's it. I'll refresh here and you'll go and see digital creator is then removed from my account. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.